Hi, we're here again with our kitchen cabinet remodel. Now that we have the corner cabinet hung, it'll be easy to line up and hang the other wall cabinets with our handy little cabinet tool called the cabinet claw.
Check your cabinets. Sometimes you got one that's racked from the factory. Just keep checking it and use that level and keep the level handy so you can double check before you really go permanent to the wall. These diagonal cabinets are tough because you got to get it even here in the corner here. We're going to try this cabinet claw. These are new to me. I'm working on here. This is a neat tool they just came out with a while back. A cabinet claw from Tool King. A cabinet claw from Tool King. You get it right. I'm all excited using this tool. You can see that. But it works both ways. It squeezes the cabinet together. You get two of them in a package. Where's the other one? Helps you line these cabinets up. It has a guide here with an 1/8" drill in your bed. You drill the hole and hold the cabinets together. Slides right through this hole. Maple is hard, it takes a while to go. These are maple cabinets and they're hard to drill, so it takes a little patience to drill into this hard wood. So every once in a while you got to pull the drill out to clean the drill out so it'll drill some more, which is what I'm doing. I got it drilled all the way to my tape. These are finished screws. It takes a special head. It's got a small tip on it, square tip. Nice thing about these here Makitas, you can change the tip and away you go. Wow, these make a job. Cabinet claw. I like to put at least 3 screws into a cabinet when I'm clamping them together here. Got the tool when you got the right tool.
For more specifics on the cabinet claw, you can check out my article on toollogics.com or check them out at toolking.com. Be sure to check back for part 4 of our kitchen cabinet remodel.